Hi, this is Maciek. Today I want to give you a short review on this cool wireless microphone that I just got on Amazon. It's a microphone made by a company called Tonor, and it's supposed to have a range of 150 feet. The whole package comes with, of course, microphone. This is a wireless receiver, adapter for changing the big jack to the small jack, batteries, wind muffler, and of course instructions. So to operate it, first we need to put a battery. So you open this part. On the other side, right here, you have a button which allows you to change different frequencies of the microphone. Different frequencies. I guess this thing is kind of like a stand. Depending where you're gonna be using it, you might have to use either big jack or the small jack. So at the end of the receiver, you have a place where you charge the receiver, and then right here is the power button. So once you push it, you have a lights indicating the battery status. Another very useful, cool thing that I really like is this wind muffler. If you're gonna be recording something or using the microphone outside, this is really useful, and this will cut down on any additional noise or wind coming to your microphone. So most people that buy this microphone probably buy it either for karaoke or some other professional uses. I'm gonna be using this microphone when I'm recording with my camcorder, and I'm gonna be standing at a distance outside, so I want to get a better audio without any noises. And another use that I'm gonna be using for is if I do any narration on my computer. So I'll show you how I'm gonna use it, and we're gonna test the audio to see how it compares between different sources. So for my first test, I'm gonna try to use it on my desktop computer, and I'm gonna plug it in right here. Bluetooth is on, and we'll compare it in a second. Okay, so when I edit my videos, I use Sony Vegas. So right now I've started a new project, and in a second I'm gonna be recording using the microphone. Okay, so right now I'm testing my new microphone, and the video is coming from the camcorder, but I'm recording my audio on my Sony Vegas program, and I will interchange this audio with the video coming from the camcorder. And I want to do some testing, so right now I'm gonna try to move the microphone a little bit away from me to see how it's going to record the volume. And also, if we move it really close, probably we're gonna get a little bit more distortions. Okay, so this was test number one. Now what I like to do is plug this into my camcorder, so the voice is gonna be recorded from microphone, not from the microphone that is embedded inside of the camcorder. So I'll do it right now. Okay, so right now I'm recording the audio coming from the microphone, and it's going straight to the back of my camcorder where this wireless adapter is plugged in. And normally on this camcorder I have Dolby 5.1 audio, which I think picks up the audio a little bit better than from the microphone. This is only a mono microphone. But when I want to be at the further distance from the camcorder, the microphone, of course, is getting a lot of different distortions. And so right now I'm gonna do the test when I'm gonna be talking a little bit farther away from the microphone. And right now I'm gonna be getting closer. I think that you have to really speak really close to the microphone. So let's compare those tests. And we'll see how it's going to sound after editing. So I've just reviewed my footage after editing on the computer, and I have to say that this is really pretty good microphone. The only thing that I would like to see is a little bit more volume, or maybe volume control on the mic. I don't think it's something that is available. It's nice and sturdy, and it's easy to use. You have much more control if you record using that your desktop computer or maybe laptop, because you have a volume controller or gain control, so you can adjust the volume of your recordings. When I plugged in the receiver into my camcorder, Unfortunately, I don't have any manual control over how loud the microphone is recording. My regular microphone that is inside of my camcorder has automatic gain control, so this allows it to pick up the voice better. Plus I have 5.1 audio system on that camcorder, so it sounds a little bit better when I'm recording with this microphone. But overall, it's a really good microphone if you want to use it for regular events where you have amp and then you have a volume control. That's gonna be a really great choice, and it's really for the price you can't beat it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.